believe.
Hi guys. So today I have my, if I can hold it upright, my Boxycharm unboxing. Like always with every single subscription box I receive, I look at the inside before I show you guys. I can't help it. I'm nosy. Anyways, let's just get right into it and I will show you guys what I received and I will tell you the prices of everything. So, this box, I already can tell you, is like $108. So the first thing I'm going to pull out are these Lashholics Luxury Lashes. I don't really wear lashes too much right now just because I don't have my contacts. I will have my contacts tomorrow and I am going to start wearing them more often. I'll probably wear my glasses and contacts interchangeably just depending on my mood. So when I wear contacts I'll probably wear falsies. But these are what they look like. I think they are gorgeous. They would be beautiful to wear on like Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I love the gold packaging. These are worth $14.99. So the next thing I'm going to pull out are these Cover FX glitter drops, and I've swatched these already and they are gorgeous. I wouldn't typically be a fan of like a liquid highlight, especially a gold one, but I think you could use this like on your face or on your eyes. Is that picking up extremely well? It's like a weird swatch, but I think they are absolutely stunning, and those retail for $44, so they are expensive. Next thing is this Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, and it's black, but it does, I think you can pick it up on camera a little bit. It's got like some glitter reflex to it. I don't know how well you can tell. It's probably not really picking up that well on camera, but it does have some glitter reflex to it. So I don't know how much use I'll honestly get out of that eyeliner. I guess we're just going to have to kind of see. These I am so excited for. They are the Luxie, they're a Luxie eye brush set. And I think it is like a limited edition Boxycharm collab. You get 4 brushes and you get them in like this stunning gold packaging. Isn't that so pretty? So you kind of get like this smaller smudger one, and then like kind of like this angled one, and then like a smaller angled one as well, and then just like your fluffy crease brush. So I'm honestly pretty stoked to use these. I love Luxie brushes. I have quite a few that I've received from Boxycharm or Ipsy. I've never actually bought them, but I receive them quite a bit in subscription boxes, and they are some of my favorite brushes. So if you're looking for a good quality brush, check out Luxie. You won't be able to get these exact ones, but they usually come in like this rose gold. So, and yeah, these are just smaller than like their normal brushes. I thought so, but they're really cute. Thing obviously is the palette. This is by Ace Beauty. This is the Grandiose palette, and the inside cover is stunning. Look at that detail, and like these colors, if I can hold it open, are right up my alley. You get 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So like this is a shimmer that's a matte, shimmer, matte, and it goes like that. So yeah, I'm excited to get some use out of this palette. I'm not going to swatch it for you guys today. but maybe in a future video I will. I just watched Kathleen Lights' Boxycharm unboxing, and the eye look she created with this was gorgeous. And she said that this was one of her favorite palettes she's received from Boxycharm, so that makes me super excited. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the price of the brushes. Those were $21 for all of them, and then this retails for $24.99, and the eyeliner retails for $5. So altogether, I didn't do the math, Kathleen did. But altogether, it was $108. We did get the same box. So if you get this box, because I know there was a couple variations, you could have got like a brush cleaner instead, or tweezers or something. But this box, the one that I have, is worth $108, which is an amazing deal. You're not going to find that anywhere else. Anyways, that's it for my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.